So what I'd like to do here is show you how to install the Press This bookmarklet for WordPress, and what this will enable you to do is clip and capture blog posts from other websites and turn them into blogs on your own WordPress site. First thing you want to do is log in to your WordPress site, and then go to the left-hand navigation dashboard and scroll all the way down to the Tools menu. Click Available Tools. And here you'll see this little icon that says Press This. Now hold down the mouse and drag this up to your toolbar. Release it, and it's going to just add this to the toolbar. You see it says Press This, so we're done. Now what we need to do is, if we were browsing the web and we saw a blog post that we'd like to add to our newsletter, here's one on a website. First we want to highlight the section we want to create the post about. So what I normally do is just highlight the first 300 or so characters, just an excerpt from this that will go on our blog site. Then go up to the bookmarklet we installed, press this, click it once, and it will bring up another window. And as you can see here, it's captured the excerpt we highlighted, and it's also given us a link here to the original article. So let's tidy this up a bit. We want to tidy this up to give it a consistent format with our own WordPress site. The first thing I'm going to do is go over to the right-hand side and choose category. Just choose one category, and I think this was best summed up as a branding piece. You can then add some tags, I don't know, CEO advice, just separate them by a comma, Campbell's maybe, and then just click add. So we've added those post tags. Now let's go and clean this up. So the first thing I want to do is click the end of the excerpt and add the universal sign for this continues here, which is just use these square brackets here, open, 1, 2, 3, close. Then we want to clean up the word via here, read full article, colon. I'm going to just bold this up. Now here's an opportunity for me as well, if I wanted to add some of my own commentary here, add my own comments here. If you wanted to make some comments or analysis around this article, we won't do that here, so I'll just take this out. The next thing I want to do is go and add an image to this post. So go up and click the cursor to the in front of the first word of your excerpt. Mine is it here, so I'll click it once there. I'll then move up to this add button here, mouse over the picture frame, it says insert an image. Click that, and it's going to pull out all the images from this blog post. Now what we want to try and do is match the image, the big image from the original post, which was a man eating soup, just here. Click that once. Make sure it's a decent size, not just a thumb image. So this image looks a decent size. It takes up most of the screen. Click insert, and we're done. If by chance none of the images came up there, you could also click this button here that says add from URL, and that will give you the opportunity to just copy and paste a URL image that you could grab from some other website. But we're not going to do it. We're not going to do that here. So basically, we're actually done here. So we then click publish. And this is going to create now a blog post. You can close this window on our website. So if we go back to our newsletter, we go back and have a look, here we'll see the article we just added. It shows our excerpt, and it also gives us a link here to the full article.